Hey guys, welcome back to DS Cleaning Services channel. My name is Ivan and I'm here to share some cleaning strategies and solutions to help you create a more vibrant and healthy environment. Today I want to share with you guys 4 of my favorite cleaning tips that will help you to clean more efficiently and also save a lot of time during your cleaning routine. The first cleaning tip that I want to share with you guys is cleaning from the top to the bottom and from the left to the right. And you are going to do this simultaneously. When I first started cleaning, I was going all over the place and sometimes I was spending a lot of time doing a job. I wasn't getting everything done properly and even like forgetting things. So once I learned this new cleaning method and started implementing it, I could really notice that I was doing a better job, being faster, and even saving a lot of time between jobs. So you should definitely give it a try. The reason why I suggest to clean from the top to the bottom is because dust and dirt from the top to the bottom. So when you are cleaning or wiping something, you are going to have all the dust falling from the top to the bottom. So you wouldn't want to clean your bench top first, only to clean your kitchen cabinets and then have all the crumbs from the cabinets fall onto your clean bench top. And I'm pretty sure you don't want to clean the same surface twice. So when you are working your way from the left to the right, just be consistent. You are never going to skip a spot, and in that way, you will know that every corner and every section of the room is going to be cleaned because you are working in a consistent manner. So that way, when you clean, you always know you have a pattern you committed to memory and you get everything done very efficiently. So if you really want to become more effective at getting your cleaning done, the best tip that I can give you is to take all your products and tools to the center of the space that you are going to clean at that moment. So in that case, you won't be running back and forth. It is a big waste of time because sometimes you have to time yourself to clean a specific area. So it can make a big difference. The next time you are going to clean a particular room in your home, get all the cleaning solutions and tools that you need ahead of time. You can just think of it quickly, get everything in the center of a very accessible area, and then get to your cleaning. Something that I learned by reading the instructions on the cleaning solutions is that you're supposed to let it dwell or sit there for a certain period of time. And that has 2 main reasons. The first one is that the product will clean something. It just needs time to do its work. So spray on the surface and let it sit. The solution will then be able to do its work. Then you can wipe it off and you will get those great results. Now, the second reason why it's important to do this is because if the product has a disinfecting property to it, the product is going to need between 5 to 10 minutes to actually kill the bacteria. So if you are using a product, apply it. Let it sit there for a few minutes and then wipe it off. That way you are getting the clean that you want and the disinfecting that you need. The last tip that I want to share with you guys is to start gentle. Start with the safest and most gentle clean solutions and then work your way up. And this is especially prudent for families with children, pets, or any medical condition like allergies or asthma. Don't try to use just any clean solution, because maybe sometimes the gentle clean solutions can accomplish a lot of cleaning. And the truth is that probably you won't need such a strong products. However, if you are in a situation where you have a really greasy surface or your bathroom needs a deep cleaning, in that case you can use a stronger cleaning solution. But in my opinion, the gentle cleaning solutions work very well and they are safe to use. Okay guys, I hope you can start implementing these cleaning tips in your cleaning routine so you can save a lot of time and clean more efficiently. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out on our latest content. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends and family, so that way they will learn new ways to clean more efficiently at home. Until next time, happy cleaning!